One of the biggest milestone is I learned data scientist and data analytics from this IntelliPath, and I earn from analysis and data scientist approximately 50 lakh plus within 2 months. So I really appreciate the IntelliPath team that they have learned me these skills. I was not aware of these skills, data analytics and data science, before joining IntelliPath. But after joining IntelliPath, this is my biggest milestone that I learned data analytics, data science, and how I earn as a agency owner the per in a within 2 months 50 lakh plus above with these skills. So I researched so many courses. You tell that YouTube has also free courses, but in free courses we did not learn deeply. We learn just a basic, like the we are building house. So from YouTube we learn the how to build a scratch house, but we don't learn the how to build full house. So I decided I should have to take a purchase own money courses that I own the value that I have the purchase the with my money the certificate course. And then why I choose IntelliPath, I see many courses simply done and etc, all platform courses, but I did not get the futures like that IntelliPath giving. IntelliPath helps me to gain practical skills, works on real world projects like COVID data analysis, flight booking management system, and learn from industry expert like IIT Indore and IntelliPath expert. Some expert are from abroad also, they are from Canadian, then USA, etc. Compared to many other institute, the curriculum is more industry focused and career oriented. The flexibility of online learning and strong mentor that IntelliPath giving us and the support have helped me grow both technical and professionally. So that's why I choose the IntelliPath. One of the biggest milestone is I learned data scientist and data analytics from this IntelliPath, and I earn from analysis and data scientist approximately 50 lakh plus within 2 months. So I really appreciate the IntelliPath team that they have learned me these skills. I was not aware of these skills, data analytics and data science, before joining IntelliPath. But after joining IntelliPath, this is my biggest milestone that I learned data analytics, data science, and how I earn as a agency owner the per in a, within 2 months 50 lakh plus above with these skills. My experience with that technical support and the academical expert and industry expert like IIT Indore expert and the academical IntelliPath expert, they are very good and very educated. They solve our doubt instantly. We message them, this sir I have this doubt, they solve instantly without asking us why you have this doubt. They solve that doubt instantly. And after that session completion, we got the form from IntelliPath to fill up. And if we feel that I did not like this session, though, they personally call within a 5 to 10 hours, and they ask me why did not you like this course. I will give rating 10 out of 10 to IntelliPath team. As a founder of Proxec Tech AI and as a founder of 5 plus multiple startup, so upgrading yourself does not decrease your level, it's always increase your level. In this technology era, you should have to work with a new technology. It does not like you learn Excel and WinWord and PowerPoint that you get a job. It's not fair. You have to learn new technology daily. In this India era or in world era, there are changing technology day to day. So we have to learn a new technology day to day, and we have to work with a new technology. If we have a technology in mind of 2000, so we are not competing in 2026 or 2000 upcoming 30. The era is now AI, and but in 2000 AI was only just computer and typing skills. If we have now typing skills, or we just don't know how to operate computer, so no one will give us a job. We have to move with a we have to work with a technology daily to daily. And why I recommended to join IntelliPath, it is a biggest answer that IntelliPath is the one of the best institute for the certificate course that I have ever seen.